Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Corvette. It's a 2023 Corvette Z06 Convertible. This casting is by Matchbox and is new for 2025, as you can see. It seems to have some good details. It's finished in black. So let's open it up and see. So here is the Corvette out of its box. First thing you will notice is the black paint with these black wheels which have the red accent around it, which looks really good in my opinion. Matchbox has done Corvette in the past, this current generation, but I think those were coupes, so this one is convertible. Let's start from the front. So up front you've got some nice details. You can see you've got the painted headlamps which have nice details. You also got the Corvette badge. Yes, Corvettes get Corvette badge, not the Chevy badge. You have this lip spoiler or splitter. You also got the lower grille, which is again finished in the grey, the same color as the lower splitter. You also got some grille detail in the front, that's finished in the body color black. You do get both the mirrors, which is again a good thing. Since it's a convertible, so obviously no roof. Let's move to the driver's side, and from here you can see you've got the fuel filler cap just to get that body kit continues. And if you hear any noise in the background, that's my dog. Sorry about that. The interior is finished in grey. I don't know if you have seen a Corvette. Some of you may have, some of you might not, but I've seen one and the interior kind of looks very close to it. Steering wheel, the center console, so Matchbox did a good job here. Seats look good, nice job there. Even the small pocket there, yeah, it's a good detail. It does have windshield wipers. Miss it on the sun visors. Matchbox usually have sun visors, but this one doesn't. I don't know why. Let's go to the back. Again, good details in the back. As you can see, it has got tail lamps which are nicely detailed, painted ones though. You've got Corvette written in the back. You get the quad exhaust, the vents. Yeah, if you don't know, this generation of Corvette is a mid-engine one, so you've got an engine in the back. You can see, I mean you can't see the engine here but there are vents here which kind of shows where the engine is. And there is a small trunk in the back, so if you open like the cut line, you see it's for the trunk. I'm not sure how big it is on the convertible. It might be smaller compared to the coupe. I'm not sure about that. And let's go to the passenger side. Looks almost identical with those vents, taking the air in. Overall, looks like a nice casting. I really like it. I think will go really good with other Corvettes. And I dropped it. Let me know what you think about this casting. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.